Why do hackers in movies always type on black screens with green text? And why does it always say Linux in the corner? It's not because they're fans of Tron. Well, this video is going to show you why do hackers really drool over Linux. Reason number one, Linux is open source. Unlike Windows or Mac OS, Linux doesn't hide behind a corporate curtain. The source code is wide open for anyone to inspect, modify, or completely transform. For hackers, that's pure gold. It means they can tweak the system to suit their needs, build custom tools, or even craft their own versions of Linux from scratch. No need to ask Apple or Microsoft for permission. You're in the driver's seat with full access under the hood. Reason number two, the terminal is a superpower. If reason one is having access to the Ferrari engine, reason two is knowing exactly which nuts and bolts to tweak. With a single command, you can scan an entire network for vulnerabilities, launch a brute force attack, or whip up a script that automates what would take a GUI clutching user 3 coffee breaks. Take, for example, this. In seconds, you've mapped out every device on a local network, identified open ports, and even guessed the running services. And yes, there's a rush that comes from typing sudo rm, your RF. The raw power to obliterate your system in a heartbeat is strangely exhilarating. Reason number three, lightweight and invisible. Linux runs on a potato, old laptop, Raspberry Pi, that Nokia phone from 2003, boom. Hackers love this because they can boot Linux from a USB stick, hack the planet, then vanish like a ghost, leaving zero traces. Meanwhile, Windows is over here eating 2 gigabytes of RAM just to say, hello. So if hacking were a heist, Linux is the silent drone, and Windows is the getaway car blasting Baby Shark. Reason number four, built for security and privacy. Hackers use Linux because it's ultra secure. Every action needs permission, like a bouncer checking IDs at a club. Malware gets shut down faster than a scam email. Plus, thousands of devs eyeball the code daily. Bugs get squashed before they're born. Linux isn't Fort Knox. It's the idea of Fort Knox coded into reality. Reason six, the cult. Community. Linux has a massive army of nerds, sysadmins, and yes, hackers. So if you are ever stuck, forums will help you debug code at 4 a.m. without roasting you much. And tools? Well, they are shared freely like conspiracy theories. It's the world's smartest group chat where everyone speaks in terminal commands. And if you mess up, they'll tell you. With 17 Stack Overflow links and a meme, which will probably mess things up even more. Nah, just kidding. So yeah, Linux isn't magic. It's just smarter. So whether you're probing firewalls or just tired of forced updates, remember, the terminal waits. And yes, go break something. I'll be there when you panic.